Okay guys, accuracy update after changing the barrel. Okay, so this is the bad barrel that I changed. And then the new barrel. Okay, let's test using Astro 18 resize pellet. Okay, so 3 shots group. Our target is around uh, 15 yards. Okay, so this is the 4 shots group. Without this plier, that's a very good group. Okay, so that's around 10 mm or yep. Okay, so let's try another 3 shot group. Okay, so this is another 3 shots group and I'm very happy with this. So look at that. Just look at that group. It's very tight. It's almost pellet to pellet. So it's a brand new barrel. So it will improve as you use it.